Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. Hope you are fine. My name is Ahmed Abdullah, and today I will be talking about a powerful AI tool named Pixverse.ai. It is used to create AI videos. We can use it easily, and it is user friendly, simple app. Only you in the search bar of any browser you can write pixverse.ai, and only you have to sign up, and Pixels will give you 150 credits. In 150 credits you can make 8-second or 5-second videos. There are so many types of template you can use. If you have completed 150 credits, also you can buy credits from their website. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learn from this video. If you have learned something from this video, please like this video, subscribe our channel, and share with your friends. If you are having any query, please tell me in the comments. See you in next video. Thank you.